Yo, what's going on? Sean J, the one and only, back at it again, doing another unboxing. This time we have a Panasonic GX85, and so I got a good deal on this one. So I bought it in Amazon. It cost me about $500, and it came with a lot of extra stuff. So, but anyway, enough of that. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Right, I already got excited earlier. Just kind of open it up. So here it is. Alright. So as you can see, it's not just the Panasonic GX85. So it came with a bag. That's pretty cool. Let's get rid of that. Toss that stuff out. Oh look. What is this? Yeah. Memory card, wallet. Pretty cool stuff. More stuff here. Yeah. Some filters. Some more filters. SanDisk memory card. Ooh, look at that. Card reader. Yep. And then finally, the most important item, which is the Panasonic GX85 West Side. Just kidding. I don't know what the W stands for. So this one came with two lenses. One is, let me see. Yeah, I don't know. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Some handbook. There's the lens, one of them with the lens hood. This is a micro four thirds camera, and there you go, 45 to 150 millimeter. Y'all seen that? All right. And then you got this baby right here. There we go. It's a pretty nice screen there. Feels kind of, has some weight to it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, there you go. The main body. And the rest are the straps, the USB, yeah, the charger plug, and then lastly the battery. So there you go. There you have it. Unboxing, a quick one, hopefully, for the Panasonic GX85. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If not, then thumbs down. And yep, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys